Hi Matthew, so this is the finished project with the TV up. So there we go, the TV's up, we got all the furniture back in place, so now when we sit down we can watch the TV and we don't have to look at that big ugly hole in the wall. It's all done, everything is completed. So now we can watch our TV shows, your Let's Sing Again, and your Rock, Paper, Scissors. So we did that for you, and your indoor playground is set up for your Christmas present. So you got your indoor swing with the bed swing, and your big jumpy castle trampoline. And this is where the TV is now. That used to be where the big TV is down there. But we put it here because you love to watch your TV when you're in your jumpy castle or your swing. So that's it. That's your Christmas present for 2024. So I'll just go once again to here. These are all your toys. We had to get rid of half of them probably because you had so many toys. But then, yeah. That's it.